How to use hydrogen peroxide for earwax removal. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a natural waxy substance found in the ear canal of humans and mammals. This is important for protecting the skin in the canal and provides protection against bacteria, fungi and moisture. Sometimes earwax can build up too much, which can lead to ear infections and loss of hearing, usually in one ear. In today's video, we will explain how you can use hydrogen peroxide at home to clear out excess earwax naturally. 1. Purchase a high-quality food-grade hydrogen peroxide with a 3% solution. There are different strengths available. Ensure that the product you choose is 3% only. 2. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural substance which the body sometimes makes to fight infections. This chemical is very effective at reducing a buildup of wax. 3. Purchase a pipette. These are cheap, inexpensive plastic droppers which you can use to apply the chemical to the ear. Alternatively, you can drip the mixture into the ear using a sterile sponge. 4. You will also need a soft cloth or some cotton wool for absorbing the liquid when draining the ear. 5. Fill the pipette with hydrogen peroxide and lay flat on the opposite side of the ear you wish to clean. Lay on a comfortable bed or sofa, as you will have to stay still for a short time. 6. Bring the pipette to the outside of the ear canal and very gently squeeze the peroxide into the ear. You may lose your hearing as the canal fills with the liquid. This is normal. 7. Lay still and allow the mixture to do its work. As the hydrogen peroxide begins to react with the wax, it may begin to gently bubble. This may tickle a little, but be patient and allow it to work. 8. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes or until the bubbling ceases. You can repeat the above steps again if you wish. 9. When you are ready, place a towel or a cotton wool on the outside of your ear canal and switch sides. Lay on the newly cleaned ear and allow the mixture to drain into the cloth. 10. This natural therapy helps to break down hard wax in the ear and also kills off harmful bacteria in the ear canal. 11. If you have a perforated eardrum or any chronic ear problems, you may wish to skip this therapy and speak to a healthcare professional. 12. This simple remedy has been used in traditional medicine for many years and is highly effective. It has been used to kill off harmful germs in the ear to protect against winter infections. 13. Some doctors theorize that many cold and flu infections can be caught through the ear canal. Keeping the ears clean of excessive wax and germs may help to protect against this. 14. Do not perform this treatment more than once every fortnight. You still need a good healthy amount of wax in the ear to perform its natural function in protecting the drum. 15. The beauty of this remedy is that hydrogen peroxide is very inexpensive compared to many over-the-counter products. Be sure to store your bottle in a dark, cool area. Exposure to sunlight can cause the mixture to break down back into water. 16. Once again, if you have any form of ear-related health problems, such as a ruptured eardrum, avoid hydrogen peroxide and speak to a doctor. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.